Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can boost low quality audio on your Android device by using this super resolutions audio feature on Android. This feature might not be exists in every Android phone, but here I'm using a Vivo Android phone, and there is this super resolution audio feature where I can enhance low quality audio on my phone. So if you want to use it, you can just go to the settings on your Android phone, and here click on the search column and type in or use audio as the keyword, and in here there will be this audio super resolution. So just tap on that, and here by enabling the audio super resolutions, it will automatically optimizes and improves the sound quality of low quality audio in video and audio files. So enabling this feature will but enabling this feature will increase system power consumption, so your battery might uh run out faster if you enable this feature. So you can search or you can hear the before and after. When this is the before I enabling this feature, let's hear it, and this is the after. Okay, so you can just choose or sorry, you can just compare the results in here. Let's just enable the feature. So when I play a song or videos and the video has a low quality audio, my phone will automatically optimize it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.